Hi guys, bought a new device today for the office. I'm doing an unboxing, see how this thing works, see if it's any good. It's a Best Buy exclusive item. They're very popular right now with everything going on. So let's open this thing up. Tyto Home, your on-demand medical exam. That's a nice little carrying case. Yeah, it's a durable little carrying case they got there. And a getting started guide. Another quick start guide. Pretty good instructions here. Here's checking with the stethoscope app. So, and hot otoscope or something like that. I don't know how to say that. But stethoscope, a tongue depressor, and an examination of the throat. An infrared basal thermometer. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Oh wow, it's tiny. I thought it'd be bigger than that. Ear scope, I believe. Looks like a tiny little camera or something on there. That's the scope. And this would be our tongue depressor adapter or something. I don't know where those are at. No. Oh, we got another box here. Dummy. I bet they're in here. I forgot about this box. There we go. Okay, here's everything we have. Right now it's wanting me to download the app. But when it booted up, I seen a flashlight on the back side, or a pretty bright light come on, so I'm assuming it has a flashlight. Here's our attachments. And then I noticed on these ear, one's a 4mm and the other one's a 3mm. So we got a child and an adult. And I'm assuming the same for these. The child tongue depressor, 2 of those, and 2 adult ones. We bought it just to take temperatures on the employees as they come in the building. So we are an essential business. We have to stay open, and this is one of our precautions to take. Is we're gonna take people's temperature as they come in. So just to look at everything we got, and we'll get this thing set up. I'm filming with my phone, so I'm not sure how I would show you guys the screen and the app on this phone. I might have to do another video and use my digital camera. I've never shot video with it before. It's a Canon. I can't remember what brand or model number. only taken pictures with it. My daughters mess with it quite a bit, but I've never done video on it. So it's gonna be a pretty easy video because this device, once you get it set up and you go to use it, the phone or tablet you have attached to it will automatically start playing a video explaining how to use it. Really thought out on their instructions, and it was easy to set up. Like I said, we're just going to use it to check temperatures on employees as they come in, and so we've made a dummy patient, and all we got to do is click on that patient, start it, and here you go. You can check lungs, heart, heartbeat, ears, throat, and temp. And we're just gonna do temps. There you go, it tells you right on the screen how to use it. Within 2 inches, wait a few seconds, and boom, it pulls up your temp. This little guy right here is an actual camera. So, and you got the little sleeves to put on it. Okay, so here's our app. This is the app on your phone you're seeing. And I've got the device in my hand. I'm going to hit the ear probe. I went ahead and inserted the ear probe on it, the little camera on it. Just give you an idea of the quality of the camera on this thing. So here we go. Alright, it's telling us which is our right and which is our left ear, depending on how you're looking at the person. We're going to choose the left ear for now. Let's turn it on. Alright, now it's asking us to clean the tip, make sure it's nice and clean, not dirty, and we'll get it started. Since this is brand new, we know it's clean. And now it's showing me an example. You don't pierce your eardrum going in too far. It gives you a nice little video on how to do it. And then on the device, it's asking me to start it. So I hit start on the device, and now we're recording. So right now we're looking at the other attachment. It's got a little jack on the side of it here. Let's show you an idea of this camera. You can see the flashlight on the end of it. So we get light, and we can look inside that jack. That's pretty detailed. There you go on that. I'm going to go ahead and stop it. So now I'm going to show you lung, and it's going to play us a video on exactly how to set that up. So here's the diagram on how to put it together. And there's a troubleshooting video. Let's go ahead and hit that.
I see you need some help here. If you're not getting a proper recording, make sure that your patient is breathing deeply and quietly without excessive movement. Deep breaths will register as a high green indicator. Make sure you've placed the device on the rib cage, not under it.
So yeah, there you go. Nice video. On your first time use, they automatically play. You don't have to tell it to, and you can always go back and rewatch the video. And then you just send this information. You see the submit button there. It sends the information to your doctor or whoever you got listed in here. Your kid's got the sniffles or something, they can pretty much advise you what you need to do from that. This thing is really thought out. Instructions well done. It really impressed me. That's about it. Really a real good product for your family. Nice carrying case. It's not cheesy. It's pretty nice little padded carrying case. hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys later.